Hi guys, today I wanted to talk to you about finding the right pediatrician for you. So when you first get pregnant, it's important that later on in your pregnancy that you really start to interview some of the pediatricians in your area. And a lot of doctors offer free consultations. Some will just give you a minimal fee that they'll credit back to your account. But whatever it is, it's important to find the right pediatrician for you. So how do you go about doing that? Well, there are a lot of things that should be on your checklist when meeting with the pediatrician that's going to be taking care of your baby from birth all the way up until teenage years, which is usually when you transition to a general practitioner or family doctor. So there are questions that you probably want to ask your pediatrician when interviewing them to take care of your baby, and that is, finding out what their bedside manner is. You should get an inkling right off the bat what type of personality your doctor has, and the rapport between your doctor and your baby's doctor and the parent needs to be a very, very strong one. If you are finding it really hard to communicate right off the bat, it's probably not a good choice to go with that particular doctor, just because when things go wrong, which hopefully they won't, you really need to have that trust and open communication with your child's healthcare professional. Also, a really good indication is, just walking into their office. Are their staff friendly? Do they greet you when you walk in the door? When setting up an appointment, is that process easy? When you come into their office, does it look like a pediatrician's office? If you're not seeing any photos on the wall or any children's toys or books or any areas that look like they're conducive to children, it may not be a good idea to go with that doctor. You definitely want to make sure that the office is suitable for your child. Hopefully you won't have to be taking them there a lot, but when you do take them there, you want them to feel comfortable too. You want to instill a place of fun and safety when bringing your child there. So it's really a good idea to make sure that it's a fun and inviting place for your child. Another thing is, talk to your friends who have children on what their recommendation is. Talk to people that you trust, their opinions on healthcare professionals for your child. Find out what their opinion is and ask around. Don't be afraid to ask questions, especially when you're meeting with that doctor for the first time. Ask all of the questions that you want to ask and see how they respond. You also want to make sure that the doctor that you go to has enough time for you. You want to get your questions answered. Obviously, they have a business and they want to see as many patients as possible. But some doctors kind of push you out quicker than you would like. If that's going to happen, that's probably not a good doctor to go to. But really make sure that all of your questions are answered, that they're answered completely. And if they're not answered completely, you really want the type of doctor to say, you know what, I'll get back to you, or I'll refer you somewhere else to get all of your questions answered. So it really is a big decision, guys. Talk about it with all of your friends and family members, people that you trust, to really get a good idea of who they like. And chances are you'll probably hear one or two names start to pop up over and over. It's probably a good choice. So investigate those. Good luck. See you next time. Bye.